Today, we're looking at a legend reborn, the 2026 Ferrari 458 Spider. A name that defined a generation, now resurrected with a new attitude, advanced tech, and the unmistakable Ferrari soul. Let's unleash it. The 2026 458 Spider doesn't forget where it came from, but it's not stuck in the past. Inspired by the original 458's elegance, this new model evolves with sleeker aerodynamics, sharper LED lighting, and a more aggressive front fascia. A retractable hardtop folds away in just 14 seconds, perfect for switching between coupe precision and open-air emotion. And with active aero elements now integrated, the car adapts to every curve you throw at it. Step inside, and the cockpit wraps around you like a jet fighter, minimal, focused, and unapologetically Italian. Ferrari has reimagined the driver interface, ultra-thin digital displays, voice-assisted telemetry, and a new steering wheel that puts everything, literally, at your fingertips. Materials are nothing short of perfection. Stitched leather, Alcantara, and forged carbon create a cabin that screams performance and whispers luxury. Every inch is engineered to excite. This is where things get serious. At its heart lies a naturally aspirated V8, now evolved with hybrid tech to meet the future without losing its roar. The 2026 458 Spider pumps out an estimated 720 horsepower, revving beyond 9,000 RPM, pure symphonic madness. 0 to 60. Around 2.8 seconds. Top speed. Just shy of 210 miles per hour. Ferrari's latest torque vectoring and active suspension systems ensure that whether you're on a winding mountain road or the racetrack, you're in complete control. The 2026 Ferrari 458 Spider is more than a convertible supercar. It's a love letter to everything we adore about driving, passion, speed, precision, and style. Drop a comment below, would you choose this over the 296 GTS? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more supercar spotlights and future icons. Until next time, keep the top down and the revs high.